Ooh, Hogwarts is great. This is the best place. So much fun!
I love to learn.
I love magic. I love you, Harry.
I've got bad news, kids.
Oh no, what is it?
The Dark Lord Voldemort is attacking Hogwarts.
What will we do?
I don't know.
Now Hogwarts is mine.
I am Snape, the potion's master. I must stop him. Avada Kedavra!
Avada Kedavra.
Ah!
Here he comes.
It's time to die. For you.
You can't do this.
Oh, yes I can. Avada.
Wait!
What is it? Hey, blast.
Bother!
What are we going to do?
There's nothing we can do. We're finished. Wait a minute. I've got a plan.
Oh, children, where are you?
We're over here.
Well, here I come.
Wait, we're a little more to the right.
Oh, here?
Almost.
That's right.
I don't see anybody here.
Okay, ready? Shoot him! Yay!
What's going on in here?
Snape, you're alive.
So it would seem.
We love you, Snape.
What the? Hey, hey, quit that.
Oh,
Oh,
Snape, we
you
love
kids.
you.
I love you too. Now please get off me.
No.
Alas, a cornucopia of love. Aww. The end.